Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I was looking high and low for the perfect beach cover up, and I found it, and I'm at the beach. I'm just so happy to have this. It has come in so useful. I have a lot of needs when it comes to a beach cover up. First of all, I'm not exactly the shape I wish I was, so I would like to have a cover up that I can feel like it covers up the things that I need to, and if I wanted to just put this on over my bathing suit and go to lunch at the beach, I wouldn't feel uncomfortable. And this is everything. It's a really nice length, which I like. So I can either just kind of half tie it and feel comfortable at the beach, or I can fully tie it and feel completely covered up. It's got the cutest little detail. Look at these little leaves. It's just so cute and beautiful. And also look at the stitching. They put a lot of thought into how this was made. It's just so beautiful. It's the perfect material. It dries really easy, and I think you're gonna love it as much as I do. And that's my point of view.